Hey y'all, what's up? It's Kay from K Reactions, back with another video. And today we're gonna be showing you guys how to make up to $2,000 a day. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to talk. It's gonna be easy. And all you're gonna need is 3 apps. The first app, it's called Pexels. It is free and you just go into the App Store and download it. Second app is going to be InShot. It's a video editing app. The third app is called Epidemic Sounds. You do need to sign up for a subscription, but you get 30 days free. 30 days to download as much content as you need to. Okay, so just follow along with this screen recording. It's super easy and quick. All right. Okay, so I already have my apps downloaded. We're gonna go into Pexels, and then you're gonna search for Rain. Then when it pops up, it's gonna show pictures or videos. You could use either or, but I'm gonna use video because when I use video to listen to rain sounds, to me it's more soothing. So just find any video you like. And right here, I was looking for HD, but it's not on that specific video. So I'm gonna go with the original, I believe. And then it's gonna download. And then it's downloading directly onto your phone. So you can get back to it whenever you need it. Okay, now the next app we're gonna go into is Epidemic Sound. Yeah, it is an app, or you can do it online. I like the app better. So you just find a rain sound that you like, and it doesn't matter the length because I'm going to show you when you go inside of InShot, you're going to be able to extend it anyway. So just go through the sounds. And once you find the one you like, you're going to hit the 3 dots on the right and download and export. And I'm going to show you how this is going to help you. I'm going to go over into the InShot app. So you got to search for it, but it's there. Click InShot, and it's going to ask you, do you want to save imported file as music or sound effect? Always do it as music, easier to find. And then you're going to create a new video. Find the video that you just downloaded because it's already on your phone. I'm just going to use one that I already had downloaded. Okay. And then you're going to go over to music. Click music again. Go to your imported sounds. And there you go. Please ignore the bottom one. Okay. There you have it. You put the music on top of the video. Now you're going to go over to duplicate. And you can hit that as many times as you like. It can go up to how many hours you like. Yep, and just keep clicking, keep clicking. No copy and paste in this app. It's the easiest way. Just keep tapping duplicate. You see how the time is changing at the bottom? Yep. Pretty much that's it. It's really easy. And you save it right from the app. All right. And there it is, downloading to your phone. Any questions, feel free to comment. All right, y'all, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. K out.